All right, guys, this amazing Claude prompt is helping this business get a ton of traffic. Look at all this traffic, 90,000, almost 4,000 ranked keywords, backlinks. So today I'm going to give you this prompt. I'm going to show you how to use it. I'm going to show you what these guys are doing with it and how they're getting this much traffic. So from a local SEO standpoint, this is a game changer. And surprisingly, this is super easy to do, but very few businesses are doing it, which is kind of crazy. Let's go. Here is the company. This is the plumbing. They're based out of Texas. So nothing like, their website's not like great. It looks kind of a little super commercialized, not like very professional, but that really doesn't matter because from an SEO standpoint, they're doing a lot of stuff right in order to capitalize on this traffic. So what they're doing is they're doing programmatic SEO, which still works really well, but you can't do it the old way of just copying and pasting. You have to tweak the entire page. But basically what they're doing, if you're not familiar, is they're changing out the location and then they're changing out the services. So if they're in Garland, air conditioning repair, and then maybe if they're in Houston, it'd be Houston air conditioning repair, and then Austin air conditioning repair if they're in those locations or those surrounding locations. So they are building out those pages for every location. So let's just say there's 5 local towns or cities, and then let's just say they have 3 services. So basically this location is going to be built out for this service, this location, this service, this location, this service, this location, this service, this location, this service. And then they're doing this location, this service, this location, this service. So they're building out that whole entire structure with this main part. And then underneath, they're having, again, the name, they're having the services, the name, the services. So, and then it's going into each, and they're having internal links, again, the name, service. So all this is targeted towards the name and the service. But you want this bottom part to be different. You don't just want to basically switch out the location. So I don't just want to switch out Houston, right? And I don't just want to switch out HVAC specialist or AC repairs. I want to rewrite this whole bottom section and make sure that it is different, so it's not 99% the same. Because Google doesn't like to see that. It doesn't work for programmatic SEO anymore. You gotta have variety. You gotta switch it up enough where it's statistically a lot, or not a lot, but it has to be more. It has to be different than 99%. It can't be 99% the same. Like 75%, 50%. But you have to switch this up and release these service pages for every location, every service. So the Claude prompt that I have helps you do that. So here is the prompt, and here's exactly what it does. You're going to put in your URL, right? And then basically it's going to research a few key page services, about, location page, and then it's going to come up with the outputs here: cities, towns they serve, industry, trust signals, brand voice. And then basically what it's going to do is it's going to create variables to use. It's going to create a prompt to use for writing these pages, and then it's going to create a markdown outline in order how the pages should be structured with a character count. So this is what you want, because you want that structure. You need it to be structured in a specific way: internal links, images, CTAs, trust signals, EEAT. So all these things are important to building out the article programmatically so that it can have this structure. Because if you just tell Claude to create an article or create a page, it's not going to be, the markdown outline is not going to be like you want it from an SEO structure, because structure is super important. Still, you can't just throw up a sloppy page targeting your service and your name. It's not going to work. It has to have the structure. It has to have the markdown structure. So let's just go ahead and do this, and then I'm going to show you how to write this out. So let me pull up Claude here. You don't have to use Opus. I a lot of times do. Let me put the effort down a little bit. Obviously, Opus is a little bit more thorough, but it does burn credits. All right, so we are going to paste this prompt in, and then we're going to give it the URL. So let's just We can use the same website, really doesn't matter. So let's just copy this website. Obviously they're already doing well. They don't need any more help, but we're just going to use it as an example. And then we're going to go ahead and fire this prompt off. All right, so awesome. Here we are. Here's the generation prompt to write the article with all the important information. So this is one piece of this. And then two is the Markdown outline, like the structure of the article. So the writing part and then the structure part. So you could use whatever you want to then write the article, but I am going to actually use Arvow to write this because they have their built-in article templates that you can create. Makes this process a lot easier. And there's a lot of things you can do in here. They can do just an SEO article with the keyword and a title, generate articles that way, news articles, YouTube articles. So you can do a YouTube video and then it'll create an article and feature the video. But you can also create templates, which is really, really awesome. There's all these article templates, which you can then input your own variables. This is what makes it unique to you and your business. And this is the type of stuff that Google is looking for. So we do custom template, and let's just do plumbing. And then, so we need the generation prompt, and then we need the Markdown outline. So we're going to take first the prompt, and then we are going to grab the Markdown outline. All right, and then we're good to go. We are going to save this. And then we have it up at the top here, plumbing. So then these are the variables that we can switch out, right? Service, city, state. So let's just do service, HVAC. Let's do city, Austin, state. Let's just do Texas, right? Actually, let's just write this out, Texas. All right. And then we're going to add the article. And then once it's added, it'll go over here to an input. All right. And then we're going to hit generate article, and that's going to go off and do its thing. It takes just like a minute or so to generate this. But then what we're going to do, you're going to see this in a second. And then we're going to go back and do HVAC Garland, HVAC Houston. You would do it for all the pages, and it's going to create a different article. The structure is going to be the same, but the article is going to be different, which is what you want. You don't want it to be 99% of the same, like I was talking about earlier. And then you're going to go back, and then you're going to switch out the service. So maybe the service is AC repair, Austin, AC repair, Garland, AC repair, Houston. So you're going to just keep going through it and switching it all out, and it's going to make it structured just the way that you want it. So that you can target all of these locations and all of the services that you guys offer. All right, here we go. Here is the generation of the article. It put an image in there. Austin, here's another image. You can add your own images. You don't have to have it generate images. Internal links. Austin, why you should call us. So yeah, really good article. Now I can open this up and you see the internal SEO of this. And you can use their AI to tweak any parts of this article. But then you can download this and upload this as a web page. You can post this. You can post this as a blog article as well. But basically what you want to do is then create a page like this. Have this top part, but then the article that I just created can be this whole bottom part. Already done for you, structured in a way that's important for local SEO so that you guys can get found. So just like that, that's what you want to do. That's the strategy. Arvow just makes it easier. Again, you can use this for your other SEO strategies. Because if you work in trending news and then SEO articles, this really ratchets it up a notch. Like you can really take things to the next level. I'm using this for clients and businesses, and we're seeing a great increase in traffic and ranking. The other things, and you can also set this up as an auto blog too. So you can go in here, create an automatic blog. You can give it a feed, it'll generate, and then publish it via the integration. The feed is like a keyword feed, an RSS feed, a YouTube channel feed, or a news feed. To do this automatically, it'll integrate with any website here. If you go here, it's easy to integrate with literally any website. You can do it via API, webhook, whatever you want to do, or one of these already set up for you. You can optimize your website. It'll audit your entire website for technical SEO, tell you what to fix, why to fix it. Automatic backlink pool. You can enter this, get backlinks automatically every single day. That works amazing. Has an LLM brand monitor. You can monitor your performance across LLMs, across AIs. You can give it different prompts and monitor your performance. And then Site Explorer, which we were looking at earlier, that shows your website traffic and your top ranking pages. And you could see if I go in here, I should have showed you this earlier. Their top pages are Garland AC, McKinney Plumbing, Fort Worth Air Conditioning. I mean, these are getting a ton of traffic. What I was just talking about. That's where all the traffic is coming from: location and then service. And you guys can do the exact same thing with that prompt. So if you want the prompt, hit prompt below. There's also a link if you want to use Arvow. Amazing tool for SEO. But that is a strategy that's working extraordinarily well. So I suggest if you have a local business especially, go ahead and build out those pages. It is going to serve you well. You are not going to regret it. Check out this other video for SEO. I'll be back soon with some more good stuff for you guys.